is a big surprise. Joan enters a competition. She will sing a television. Hic, hic, hic. Joan is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Joan's mother gives her a scare. Surprise! Hic, hic. Joan still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic. But Joan still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. Hic. But Joan still has hiccups. A nurse gives Joan a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Joan's hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd shout and cheers.